All right, we're back here 5:45 on Channel 2 News Today. So 30 million Americans already have diabetes, and there's some new research that could help those who are at risk.
As health reporter Haley Hernandez shows us, it suggests what's good for your heart may also prevent diabetes.
20 more people are projected to develop diabetes over the next 20 years. Is there any way to prevent it? Lee Miller and his doctor think there may be. For 10 years, Lee has maintained a 40-pound weight loss, but Lee got a shock at his yearly checkup.
I had gone to a physical and had blood work done and came back with higher blood sugar levels than were good.
The man who used to train for triathlons was diagnosed with pre-diabetes, and he worried that full-blown diabetes could be next. Dr. Joshua Joseph and his colleagues assessed the heart health of more than 7,000 people who did not have diabetes. The research then used the American Heart Association's measure of heart health called Life's Simple 7. For starters, did they have blood pressure of less than 120/80, fasting glucose less than 100, total cholesterol less than 200, and BMI of less than 25? Did they exercise for 150 minutes a week and eat well with 2 servings of fish weekly? Finally, if they had ever smoked, did they quit?
People who had 4 or more of those compared to 0 or 1 had a 70 to 80% lower risk of diabetes over 10 years.
Lee did develop diabetes, but believes shedding about 20 more pounds and increasing his exercise again could be the key to keeping the symptoms under control.
My doctor feels if I can get there, I may have a chance with the exercise to maybe not even need any medication.
Lee Miller says he has cut out all soda and limits his carb intake to 45 grams per meal. He's also planning to start training for a triathlon again as motivation. In addition to the other heart-healthy recommendations for preventing diabetes, Dr. Joseph suggests limiting sugar-sweetened beverages to only 36 ounces or less every week. I'm health reporter Haley Hernandez, KPRC Channel 2 News.